Hi, this is Buzz Cantor, and we're going to do a quick walk around of what I call the burnt up Knucklehead. This is a Harley that was in a barn that burnt down with it in the barn. Previous owner dragged out what was left of it. It was pretty torched badly. Painted the rims, put in all new rubber, put on new wires, new electrics. All that stuff was gone. So we'll do a quick walk around. Kind of cool patina, actually. You can see where the paint just burnt off or the fire burnt off the paint. It's got the fender tip on it, and the driving light, horn, headlight, handlebars. All looks to be real Harley stuff as far as I can tell. Springer front end, obviously on a Knucklehead. Drum brake on the other side. Short grips, you notice these are the short versions. So sort of a hot rod thing that they used to do back in the day, is much smaller. The speedometer obviously has seen better days. It is an old Harley. Speedo was caught up in the fire. Gas tanks, again, fire. The seat I put on, it's just an old buddy seat I had lying around. So the other one was just a metal pan, which hurt to actually ride. And yes, I have ridden it. Kicker, tranny, oil tank. Crash bar in the back, had saddlebags on it. That's what all these holes are here, and all you can tell the fire damage. Old cigar muffler exhaust pipe. Walk around the other side. The tail light is, the rubber's obviously coming off. License plate, hinge. So it's a newer coil someone had put on to replace the old burnt out one on the back. Foot clutch, hand shift, shifter gate. Looks like the horn button probably could use replacing. The dampers. So, and I had bought this to do as a project. I was going to do a little hot rod with it or custom. I hadn't decided, but I think it's time to let it go. So this motorcycle will be available for sale at some point soon. It's once again, this is Buzz Cantor. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free and easy. Just click that little red button or box down on the lower right. And when I do other old bikes, you'll get notified. It's free, it's easy. And thank you. Hope you enjoy this. One of my goals is to share information about old motorcycles and old motorcycle people and capture them while they're still around and hopefully pass along to the next generation. So it's a great old Knucklehead.